now it's time to say goodbye. Clap your hands. Yay! And now it's time to say goodbye. So long, farewell to you, my friends. Where's your tongue? Yeah! Tululaway! Where's your tongue? Where's your teeth? Show everybody your teeth. Huh? Show your teeth. Say good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yesu Manuel Uy Ilagan. And I'm 10 months old. Yay! Bye. That's your tongue. Yummy. And now it's time to say goodbye. Yay! Very good. Yay! Clap, clap. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Dance. Dance, dance. Do-do-do-do. 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 Who is that? Is that Pocoyo? Is it Eat? Bulaga! Cover. Eat? Bulaga! Again, cover. Eat? Bulaga! Again. What did the cat say? Eat? What did the cat say? Meow? What did the dog say? Woof? Woof, woof? What did Yesu say? What did Yesu say? Say bye, everyone.